Hey there, welcome back. If your Google business profile is fully optimized but you're still not showing up in the top of Google Maps, you're not alone. A lot of local business owners come to us with the exact problem. They've done the basics like claim their GBP, added categories, got reviews, but they are still buried in the rankings. So what's the missing piece? Let me show you something real quick. Right here, these top 3 results, they didn't just get there because of their Google profile. They got there because their website is working with their profile, not against it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how your website might be costing your map pack rankings. More importantly, how to fix it. Let's dive in. When Google ranks businesses in the local map pack, it's not just looking at your Google profile. It's also checking your website, your citations, your reviews, your engagement. It is looking for what we call entity alignment, where your Google business profile and your website clearly confirm who you are, what you offer, and where you serve. If those don't match up, you get skipped. All right, let's start with the first and probably the most common website mistake we see: thin or generic content. This is what I call an invisible website or an SEO black hole. You know the type: one homepage, one about us page, maybe a contact page, and a generic services page with no details. Here's an example. Looks fine, right? But here's the problem. Google has no idea what this business actually specializes in. There is no dedicated page for electrical wiring, services upgrades, fire alarm systems. So when someone searches for electrical wiring, this business won't show up. Why? Because Google can match that query to a specific page on your site. So let me show you how to fix it. Here's a site that's built for local SEO. Notice this: every main service has its own dedicated page. Each page includes a keyword-rich title like EV charger installation in Chula Vista. There's original content, images, FAQs, and a call to action. This makes it 10 times easier for Google to understand what you do, match your content to what people are searching for, and rank you higher in maps. So go to your services page on your website, and if it's just a list of bullet points with no links, you've got work to do. Create a full page for each main service you want to rank for. Write at least 300 to 500 words per page with real examples, benefits, and keywords. Add a clear H1 heading like roof repair services in Fort Lauderdale, and make sure it matches what people are searching for. Now let's talk about the second major issue: no local keywords and no city pages. This one's sneaky because even if your services are listed correctly, if you don't mention where you offer them, Google has no reason to rank in that area. So let me show you what I mean. Here's a service page for plumbing repairs. It looks okay, the service is described, and the photos are decent. But there is a problem: no mention of city, zip code, or service area. Nowhere on this page it is said where the company provides this service, what neighborhoods or city they serve, or any location-based keywords. So Google doesn't guess. If the city name is not there, you won't rank there. So here's how to do it right. Add the city name to your page title, mention it naturally throughout the content, and include nearby areas in a We Serve section or in your FAQs. For example, you can say something like, we provide professional AC installation in Chula Vista, National City, and surrounding areas. This builds local relevance, which helps your GBP listing rank in the map pack, especially when paired with city pages. So speaking of city pages, if you serve multiple areas, you need dedicated location pages. Each of these pages should focus on a single city or zip code, include location-specific keywords, and feature local reviews and photos if possible. Alright, now let's talk about speed, mobile issues, and how they quietly kill your rankings. This is easy to overlook, but seriously damaging: your website being too slow, especially on mobile. Here's how you can test it. Head over to Page Speed Insights or GT Metrics, paste in your website, and run a speed report. Google cares a lot about page speed, even more about mobile performance. So if your site is loading slowly on mobile, full of uncompressed images, or using a bulky theme or plugins, it's dragging down your local rankings. And here's how you can fix it. Compress your images using tools like TinyPNG. Use fast, lightweight themes like Cadence, Astra, and GeneratePress if you're on WordPress. Enable caching and lazy load. Make sure your design is mobile first, so check if your buttons are easy to click, the text is readable, and everything fits on smaller screens. So when you do this right, your site feels fast, clean, and Google rewards it. So Google Page Speed Insights is just one piece. Make sure to use Google Search Console to get real data from users on how your site is performing. This matters for rankings and conversions. Next, let's fix one of the most trust-destroying issues: inconsistent business info across the web. This is a big one, and it is a silent killer for local rankings. If your business information, name, address, and phone number doesn't match across your website, Google Business Profile, Yelp, Apple Maps, and other directories, Google sees that as a trust issue. Things like an extra keyword on your GUP name or different phone number in your website and your GUP can throw off your entire local SEO trust signal. How to fix it? Choose one official version of your name, address, and phone, just like it appears on your legal documents. Make sure the NAP info in your site footer matches your GUP exactly, same number, same format. Then update key directories manually. Start with the big ones: Yelp, BBB, Apple Maps, Facebook, Bing Places. Now, while you're fixing listings, embed a Google map on the footer of your website using the same address, because it reinforces the connection between your site and your GUP. Alright, now let's fix a huge conversion and ranking killer: missing trust signals. You could have all the right keywords, perfect services, but if your site doesn't look legit, users bounce. And Google notices that. Let me show you what I mean. This site right here. No reviews, no team photos, no badges, no about us, no local references. It looks generic, and users don't trust generic. So let's fix that. Number 1, show real people and real work. Add job site photos, team headshots, before and after galleries. Then number 2, add reviews directly on your site. You can use tools like Go High Level to embed your latest reviews on your website. Then number 3, add credibility elements, years in business, verified badges, and associations like BBB or the Chamber of Commerce. Then number 4, use strong CTAs and click options. Make it easy to trust and contact you. Call now buttons, online estimate forms. So for example, this site is doing it right. Real reviews, local photos, professional layout, CTAs on every scroll. So when Google sees people stay on your page, click to call and engage, it rewards that with better rankings. If all this feels overwhelming, that's okay. We do this every day for local service-based businesses, and the results speak for themselves. So if you need help running a full audit of fixing these issues for you, just book a free strategy call with us. We'll show you exactly what's missing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.